Cracking the code. Using passive voice when the subject is unknown or unimportant. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into an interesting facet of English grammar. The passive voice, specifically its usage when the subject of a sentence is either unknown or unimportant. This is a crucial concept that can make your language more nuanced and effective. So, let's get started. Passive voice is a grammatical construction where the action or verb in the sentence focuses on the recipient rather than the doer. Unlike the active voice where the subject performs the action, in the passive voice, the subject is acted upon. Here is an example of passive voice. The cake was eaten. Here, the focus is on the cake, the recipient of the action, rather than who ate the cake. One of the common situations where passive voice comes in handy is when the doer of the action is unknown or unimportant. Unknown subject. If we don't know who performed the action, it can make more sense to use the passive voice. For instance, my bike was stolen. We don't know who stole the bike, so the focus shifts to the bike that was stolen. Unimportant subject. When the action itself is more significant than who performed it, passive voice is useful. For example, the law was passed. Here, the emphasis is on the law getting passed, not on who passed it. While passive voice is a great tool, remember not to overuse it. The active voice often makes your sentences more direct and lively. Use passive voice strategically to shift focus where needed. Let's practice what we've learned. Try converting these active sentences into passive. 1. Someone cleans this room every day. 2. The government will introduce new taxes. Don't forget to leave your answers in the comment section below. That's all for today's lesson on using the passive voice when the subject is unknown or unimportant. Remember, mastering the use of passive voice can greatly enhance your English writing and speaking skills. Keep practicing and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning!